about the hidden magic behind Excel's calculations. Get set to venture into the captivating domain of formulas and equations, where the proper order creates magic. Hold on tight for an incredible voyage into the heart of Excel's calculations. Today we are unlocking the vault to reveal the mysteries of how Excel calculates, putting a spotlight on the crucial role of order of precedence. Greetings, spreadsheet scientists. It's time to embark on a quest of exploration. Join us as we uncover the scientific intricacies of Excel's calculations through the deciphering of the order of precedence. Let's dive into the depths as we demystify how Excel calculates through the illuminating concept of order of precedence. Are you ready to reshape your Excel experience? Let's begin. Excel work on the mathematical rule which is called as BODMAS, in which we have specific pattern which will be followed by Excel. For example, we entered some long expression or formula, so Excel will calculate or operate brackets first, then order, which is also called as exponential functions, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and at the last subtraction. BODMAS is playing a crucial role in entering functions or formulas. For example, you are executing some long expressions and you want multiplication first and division at the last, so you have to use brackets instead of you put all the expressions in a simple way. Let me show you one example. We have mobile phone cost calculator. I want to just calculate total cost. How it will come? I will minus estimated minutes from free minutes, then multiply it with cost per minute. I will get the total cost. So in simple, what we will do, just start the formula: estimated minutes minus free minutes, then multiply by cost per minute. See, it is giving us error. No error, but giving us wrong value, minus 100. So basically what he did, he follows BODMAS, like he execute multiplication first and subtraction at last. So if we multiply F4 and F6, 120 multiplied by 250, we have 300, and then it's F5 minus 300, F5 is 200, 200 minus 300, which is actually minus 100. So what we will do, we want to execute subtraction first, so we simply place brackets around it. So now our BODMAS rule will proceed brackets first and then multiplications. Like see, now we have actual cost. Same thing we can do for it. Like I want to calculate total cost, this cell minus free messages and multiply by cost per message. So I will put brackets because according to BODMAS rule, brackets operates first. See, now we will have total cost. Similarly, if I want addition at the start or subtraction at the start, so we can use brackets. Like in this case, I can use brackets first and I select first cell which I want to add, plus second cell and bracket close. Sorry, we have error in typo, so it's auto corrected. So like see, first of all it add these two numbers, then execute our remaining functions. So every time you want something at the start, for example it's addition, multiplication, anything you want at the start, just place it in brackets. Thank you for joining us on this illuminating Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and prepare for more incredible Excel discoveries ahead. Until next time, let's keep unlocking the mysteries of Excel.